Now last one is to close Neo4j and NeoDash. To do this, you don't have to close the browser, but I recommend you do, so you don't change anything afterwards. Close the browsers. Then, with the two command prompts that you have had running Neo4j and NeoDash, in each of them, simply press Ctrl and C. This means you are now stopping the server and is asking whether you want to terminate it or not. Type Y and enter. This means Neo4j is now closed and not available to change until you start it again. Same thing with NeoDash. Press Ctrl C and now terminate the job. And there you go. You have successfully closed both Neo4j and NeoDash. Thank you for staying until the end of this video. If you have any other inquiries, there is also a GitHub link available down below in the description with a written instruction on how to do all of these installation and navigate with the command prompt. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.